Rameshwaram, a town in the Ramanathapuram district of Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is situated on the Pamban Island, separated from the mainland India, and is connected to India by the Pamban Bridge. As the 56723 Madurai Rameshwaram passenger marks its presence on platform number 2, the same train will be scheduled as 56722 Rameshwaram Madurai passenger and will depart Rameshwaram at 11:15 am. Most probably, GOC 16657 WDM3A, which holds the 56723 Madurai Rameshwaram passenger, will be the link for reverse journey. But GOC 16879 WDM3A will be taking the charge of 56722 Rameshwaram Madurai passenger. As the time is 11:15 am, it's the time for 56722 to depart from Rameshwaram. The next stop of the train is Pamban, which is approximately 11 kilometers from Rameshwaram. After a short halt at Pamban station, the train knots up for the next stop, that is Mandapam, which is in the mainland India and connected to Pamban Island via the Pamban Bridge. Pamban Bridge is a railway bridge which connects the town of Mandapam in mainland India with Pamban Island and Rameshwaram. Opened in 1914, it was India's first and longest sea bridge until the opening of Bandra Worli Sailing. The total length of the bridge is 2065 meters. The bridge consists of 143 piers and a double leaf bascule section that can be raised to let ship pass. Pamban Bridge has a speed restriction of 10 km per hour. In 2018, the bridge was closed due to a crack in the bridge, and a new bridge was built alongside of the old bridge. The train accelerates towards Mandapam after crossing the Pamban Bridge. As our train reached Mandapam, it's the time to deboard 56722 and jump back to the Indira Gandhi Road Bridge, which is adjacent to the Pamban Bridge. Soon the 56829 Tiruchirappalli Rameshwaram passenger will be passing through the Pamban Bridge towards the Pamban Island. GOC Shed 14510 WDG3A hold 56829 Tiruchirappalli Rameshwaram passenger makes its way from the Indian Ocean via the Pamban Bridge to the Pamban Island. I think I am lost in this view, and I bet you will be too. Just feel it.